Hey, when you get out to the lake or to the beach or to the park or wherever, and you got a lot to carry, chairs, backpacks, got a cooler in the back seat, and you need to get all the way down there, you need something to help get everything down there. I got something that I think is going to help. Let's get it opened up and check it out. It's a folding wagon. Let's check it out. That does come with a folding wagon cart user manual. Shows you how to get it all set up. Wheels are in the box there. Now that third wheel is inside right here. Just pull that out right there. Has this Velcro strapped right here. Kind of goes together like a playpen. If you've ever messed with a child's playpen and put it together, kind of the same principle. Get these wheels put on here. You'll notice there's 2 square ones and 2 round ones. These do have brakes on them. You got the little brake lever here. We'll put these in here. Just snap them down into place. Now this one's square, so it's going to go up on the front end here, or the back end actually. Just like that. Pull it open like that. These pieces right here will just slide over those bars there. It'll kind of put it into place. Now that part that was wrapped around it, you just put this in the bottom, gives it support, straightens it out. And here it does have your handle that will flip over like that wherever you need it, and it'll spring back up when you let go of it. Pull it, push it again, raise it on up more. Like I said, if you're pulling it like that, you can let go of it and it'll flip up. It's not going to fall down. And it does have the brakes on the wheels right here. Flip that down, it ain't going nowhere. Has the wide tires, get plenty of traction in the sand. It will hold a lot and it'll carry a lot down to the water for us. There's a couple of things I don't think I mentioned. When this handle is out like that, there's a button right underneath here. You can see that right there. Just push that and that'll slide on down. Also, when you get ready to take the wheels off, there are 2 buttons on both sides of the pole right here. 2 red buttons, just push them and that wheel will come right off. Get your cooler, put your cooler in there. You got a chair, you put your chair in there. Fishing backpack. Fishing poles. You're ready to go. Rolls real easy. Rough terrain, not a problem. Handles this sand down here really well. I was sent this wagon for free to do a demonstration of and to try it out and see what I thought about it. And I definitely think it's a good one. Give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, there you go. It'll pretty much haul what you need. It has a 180 liter capacity. I believe that's what it said. Really nice wagon. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.